Ellie has the hiccups.
Show 'em your hiccups. What's going on? You're getting filmed. Again with the ceilings. They last forever too. Once she gets them, oh my god.
Poor Ellie.